Okay, in this video, we are going to solve some of the problem statement which is given in the exercise chapter number 6 and exercise number 6.1. And we are going to take one by one example, which is algebraic equation, and we are going to use the factorization method to solve those problem statement. Let's take the very first problem statement. The first problem is x square plus 9x plus 18, and we are going to solve this algebraic equation. Why it is called algebraic equation? Because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is the constant and x square is the highest power, which is 2. That's why it is called the algebraic equation. And how we are going to solve this equation? We'll take the constant and the very first coefficient, and we are going to multiply this. And what is that? 18 into this is 1. Okay, 1, which is 18, and we have to break this 18 into product of 2, which results in addition of subtraction and gives 9. So this is the motto. So how we can break? Let's consider 18. 9 into 2. If you add or summarize or minus, then we are going to get 7. Okay, but not 9. We required 9. So how we can solve this is, instead of 9 into 2, we have to break 9 into 2 like this. 3 into 3, which is 9, and again the remaining is 2. Okay, now we will take these two numbers. 3 into 3 to the 6. Now if you multiply 6 and 3, it is going 18, but if you add these two numbers, you are going to get the middle number, which is 9. Okay, this is how you can get the middle number. Now with this example, we'll take 3 and 6. So what was the middle variable? 9x. How we can write 9x? 3x plus 6x. Okay, now if you add 3 with 6, it is giving the result as 9x. How we can replace 9x is 3x plus 6x. Now let's move this, and we'll take the problem x square plus 9x plus 18, and we are going to replace 9x with 3x and 6x. 3x plus 6x plus this is the remaining 18. Now we have to break this into two parts. Okay, first is the first two variables, and second is the second variable and the constant. What is the common between these two? If you see this, you can see this is also x, this is also x, but not x square. So we have to take x as a common. Okay, now with this x is common, so how we can divide? So each number we have to divide by x like this. Okay, now if you divide x square by x, here the power of x is 1, so we have to minus the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. So how we can write is 1x is remaining. Okay, plus sign is the same plus sign. Now x divided by x, it will be cancelled. It is going to be 1, and 3 multiplies with 1, it is giving as 3. Okay, now we have to close the bracket plus. Okay, now again we have to consider these two variables. Now what is common in these two is 6. Okay, we have to take 6 as common. We have to divide by 6 here and here. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, so it is going to be 1 into x, which is x is the remaining. Here I am going to write x plus 18 divided by 6. How much? It is going to be 3. And how we can see is whether we are going at a right direction or a wrong direction. These two brackets, whatever the content it has, it should be same. Can you see x plus 3, x plus 3? then we are moving on the right direction. How we can write? Instead of 2 times, we have to write 1 times x plus 3. Okay, and the product again, don't add like plus, it is a multiplication. We have to take x and 6 here. X here it is plus 6. So this is going to be the answer. How we are going to take? First, x plus 3, instead of repeating 2 times, we have to write 1 time. Then we have to take these two variable x plus 6. So this is going to be your answer. I hope this was very simple question, and we are going to take few more problem statement from this exercise number 6.1 in the next video.